So for today's lab, I'm gonna show you how to create a VM inside of ESXi. So to get started, basically you just want to log into your host. Once you get logged in, just want to click on create/register VM. Then you just want to make sure create a new virtual machine is highlighted. Then click next. Just give it a name. Just gonna name it test. Then you want to come down here to where it says guest OS family. So if you're installing Linux, Mac, other, or Windows, you just select which ones correspond to the OS you're installing. For me, I'm just going to do Linux. Let's just do Ubuntu. So then just click next. Then you want to select on the select which storage container you want to use. So for me, I'm going to have it saved to a QNAP NAS. So select next. Then here you want to adjust your custom settings. Um, so say for instance, if you're going to do a Pixie boot, you want to make sure the for adapter type, you want to make sure it's E1000 selected. Then also you want to come to VM option on the boot options and make sure and disable secure boot. If not, it will not do a Pixie boot. But if you're going to install from a, let's say like an image file, you just come down where it says CD/D DVD drive, and then you just collect on data store, whatever store that, and you just come here and then find the image that you want, then just select the image that you want to install. But for me, I'm just going to do Pixie boot, so I'm just going to disconnect that. Actually, I'm just going to remove it since I don't need it. Let's do this network. Click next. Click finish. Then once it's going to build the VM. Once it's done, you just come here. Just click on it. Just power it on.